Do you want to make your English more powerful? Learn these three action helpers. Do, does, did. ક્રિયા બતાવતા ત્રણ શક્તિશાળી શબ્દો. Do, does, did. First we see magic rule. Do with I, we, you, they in present tense. Does. Does with he, she, it in present tense. Did. Did with all subjects in past tense. Let's more understand with examples. I do my homework. હું મારું હોમવર્ક કરું છું. She does her work. એ એનું કામ કરે છે. We did it yesterday. અમે એ ગઈકાલે કર્યું હતું. Now quick fix. I does study. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. I do study. We does homework. Is it correct? No, we do homework. Remember, do, does, did. Your everyday action boosters. તમારા દૈનિક ક્રિયાને તેજ આપતા શબ્દો. Use every day in your life and make your English powerful. Follow for more easy English grammar tips.